Hello developer, if you want to create a WordPress theme, might be you need to create a WordPress starter theme. It will be easy for you to create WordPress theme from scratch. So let's start. Go to Google. After that, just search underscore dot me. Okay, it's coming. I'm sorry, my network is not working properly. It's slow today. Please wait a moment. Underscore starter. Okay. Not it. That one. Okay. Underscore me dot me. Okay. Underscore dot me. Okay. Underscore a starter theme for WordPress. Okay. Okay, this is the underscore a starter theme for WordPress. So if you want to create a custom theme, custom WordPress theme, it will be easy for you. So make a name, your website name. Okay, I'm giving a name here. Okay, generate it. Just click on here. You can write anything here. It's up to you. Okay, generated. It will take a little time waiting for. Okay. Okay. Save on it. Okay, desktop zip file. Okay, I already downloaded it. It's taking one. Okay, desktop, save on it. Okay, just wait. I will take counting. 7.9 KB. It's not a big file. You can read the documentation here, how to use this file. Okay, they have contributed on it. Downloading. It's taking too much time. I already downloaded. If you want to download, it's easy. Okay, we're going to the file. I have downloaded here. I have downloaded before. Just extract the file. Okay, new folder. Okay, I extract the file. Okay, I'm showing you again. Okay, extract here. Okay, to that you can see here is lots of file. Okay, so we have to add the theme, starter theme on our site. Close it. Okay, go to local and click local site, the site name. Okay, just click on it. Okay, so that it will go here. Okay, okay, here app public, then WP admin, WP content. Okay, WP content plugin theme. Here's the theme. Okay, we just want to add here. Sorry, I did not copy it yet. Okay, where's the folder? New folder. Let me copy it. Okay, copy. Okay, theme. It's paste on it. Okay, so that you can see your theme. on it. Okay, let's close. Go to your local admin. Okay, appearance, we already know about that. Theme, WordPress basic dashboard. Okay, theme. Okay, see, there is a theme. Start at the theme details. You can add the photo. You can add the background, whatever you want. Okay, theme details. You see, this for me. Okay, activate. Let's activate here. Okay, the theme is activated now. You can customize and you can work on it. You can change it. And if you want to change something on it, you have to go admin panel. Okay, now what to do?